I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome back. If you're new here, please do subscribe. If you hit the notification bell, you'll get notified, of course, each time I put new vlogs on. I'm just doing a little simple supper today. And it will include some turkey sausage, zucchini, a couple of potatoes, some green pepper, and some onions. So, let's get started. I already have some grease in my pan. I'm actually using some bacon grease. I've already got some of that going in the pan there. Get you guys set up right there, I do believe. Let me see. Yeah, about right there, I think. I store onions and green peppers in the freezer because we don't go through them super quick and I don't want to waste them. I know you can always dehydrate them. Believe me, I've dehydrated several things the past few weeks. So that's the only thing you have to be careful about is that ice popping from your skillet. You don't want to have the heat up too much, so we'll turn it down a little bit. I just did a handful of onion. That's the purple onion. And I'm going to throw a handful of green pepper in there. Now I've already got my vegetables washed, so we don't have to worry about that. Obviously, if you haven't washed your vegetables yet, you will need to do that. Let's get some other veggies prepared here. I am slicing up some zucchini. This is from the grocer. This is not from our garden. We only had a small garden, but we plan to do some squash in our garden for next year. And we do have a new channel on our list. It's called Just Add Water, Gardening, and Home Life. So pop on over there, give us a check, give us a looky-see, and subscribe to us. We would appreciate it. It's new, like I said. There's only a couple of vlogs on it right now, but we're looking forward to doing a lot more. I am removing most of the seeds from this, if you're wondering what I was doing. But yeah, most of the seeds I am removing from this zucchini. I'm just leaving the very small ones, and we're just gonna do a dice on this after I chop it up a little bit more. It's just a small zucchini, that's all we need. I'm sure we'll have plenty left over for some lunch tomorrow. So I don't mind leftovers as long as it's not too far off. I don't mind it. But we'll go ahead and get this in there. Now we'll go ahead and get our zucchini in the skillet. And then we're going to peel these potatoes. Let me give this a little stir. Get that going. I have a piece of zucchini in here. It's more than bite size. There we go. I just didn't have it completely cut apart. Now, let's see here. Now let's peel these. Oops. Guess you'd probably like to see what I'm doing, wouldn't you? Do I have too much light on, guys? Is that what it is? Too much light going on now? Let's see. Let's see. There we go. Now y'all can see what I'm doing. That's much better. Just do just a little dice on them. Then we're going to thin them out just a little bit more. I mean, yeah, you can have them thicker if you want to. That way, I mean, it's just going to take a little longer for them to cook. That's all. So that's why I'm trying to thin these down a little bit, so the cooking process doesn't take quite as long. Okay, let's go ahead and pitch those in there and get them going. I think I'm going to have to go ahead and do both of them though. Put these in the skillet. There we go. Spread it out a little bit. Now, let me wash this off my hands. Then we'll go ahead and get this turkey sausage in there too. So everything can cook and get all the flavors into marry and get it incorporated. Yum. Oh. You can always freeze these. That's what I like to do. It's hard to find these in the store sometimes, especially the Apron brand. Again, that's the kind I like. You choose yours. You don't even have to use the turkey sausage. You can just use regular beef sausages. If that's what you like, then that's what you like. Let's get this over here and dump it in. Going to flip the light back on so we'll have a little more light over there, over the stove. I'm not sure why it's doing that, but it is. All right, let's get that dumped in there. Then I'm gonna stir it around. Get you guys sitting over here now. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm going to give this a good stir around. Man. Those onions smell so good. But, let's get y'all popped up right there. See how it's already getting some brown on it there? A little char about it. Yummy, yum. But I'm going to get a lid put on there. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Probably a little bit of garlic powder. Oh, sorry. But we'll get y'all sitting right there a second. Set you right there. I'll add a little bit of salt to this. There we go. And that's just the pink Himalayan salt. with that salt mixed in with all the other veggies and with the sausage. Then we're going to get a lid and put on here. I think I'm going to add a little more, like I said, I use bacon grease. I think I'm going to add a little more of that to it. Grab me a spoon. But, yeah. Always keep that bacon grease if you fry bacon. That's a good replacement. It's a whole lot better than canola oils and stuff, I can tell you that. It's a lot better for you. Okay. Now, let me just stir this around one more time to get that bacon grease down in there and to get these covered with it. I know, you could easily put bacon in here, sure, but that's not what I'm fixing. Not what I'm fixing. Let's see here. Alright. I'm going to put a lid on this. I'm going to get it fried up, and I'll be back with you soon. Okay. Let's see how this is doing. Doesn't that just look delicious? Really does, doesn't it? Smells good, I can tell you that. Give it a little flip. Getting that brown going on, see that? I know. No, can't see anything. You didn't have your phone right. Sometimes I use the phone, sometimes I use the camera. I just need to get used to using one or the other, don't I? I like the convenience of the phone. Okay. We are going to check and see if these potatoes are fork tender. And you see how that just fell apart? Did you see that? Let me do it again. Let's do it again. See that? Fork tender. There we go. Now, let's turn it off and get some of this plated up. And get our grub on. Okay, so we're going to use these bowls. We got these at Dollar General. And seeing as how it is fall, or almost, it's very fall feeling out there today, I can tell you that. We are going to get our grub on in these. Oh, gotta have the light back on for that, don't I? Alright. So, oh my goodness, would you just, can you just see that? Can you see that? Awesome yum. That's what that is. Awesome yum. Get y'all up here a little bit. There you go, Nate. See what's going on. Holy smokes, you can see everything now. I know I said something about leftovers, but who knows? Depends on how much I can get in these bowls, don't it? Of course, again, Brinkley's down there just hoping for some floor time. Floor time food. That's what he wants. He'll make sure it doesn't lie on that floor for more than 10 seconds. But that, my friends, is smoked turkey hash. And we are going to enjoy these. These do come with lids, so you can always put your lid on it, heat it up the next day. You have your leftovers, just take it along with you to work, heat it up in the microwave, and then you have it. So, you all take care, enjoy the rest of your day, And thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, you all take care. Bye.